Welcome to Art Marketing 101. This is Camelia Young, artist coach, art marketer, and founder of the Digital Learning Hub. Today, we're talking about using hashtags on Instagram. As an artist, Instagram, primarily a visual platform, is a powerful tool to showcase your work and build your brand. Instagram allows artists to share their work with a wider audience and connect with potential clients and fans. And one of the most effective ways to promote your brand on Instagram is by using hashtags. Hashtags allow you to categorize your posts and make them discoverable by a wider audience. Here are some tips for using hashtags effectively in your Instagram posts. Choose the right hashtags. Use hashtags that are relevant to your post and your brand. Research popular hashtags in your niche and use them in your posts. For example, if you are a photographer specialized in cityscapes, you might be using hashtags photography, cityscapes. Or if you're a painter of abstracts using a limited palette, your hashtags might include abstract, limited palette. You can also use tools like AllHashtag to help you find related hashtags. Use a mix of popular and niche hashtags. While it's important to use popular hashtags to reach a wider audience, it's also important to use niche hashtags that are specific to your brand and your work. This will help you reach a target audience who is more likely to be interested in your work. Keep it concise. Don't use too many hashtags in your post. Instagram allows up to 30 hashtags per post, but using too many can make your post look spammy. Stick to a few relevant hashtags that will help your post get discovered. Create a branded hashtag. Create a unique hashtag that is specific to your brand and use it consistently in your posts. This will help your followers find your work and make it easier for you to track engagement. Engage with your audience. Hashtags are not only a way to promote your brand, but also a way to connect with your audience. Engage with users who use your hashtags by liking and commenting on their posts. This will help you build relationships with your followers and increase your visibility on Instagram. Using hashtags effectively is an important part of promoting your brand on Instagram. By choosing the right hashtags, using a mix of popular and niche hashtags, keeping it concise, creating a branded hashtag, and engaging with your audience, you can increase your visibility and reach a wider audience.